In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Pumpfun memes. If you're exploring Pump.fun, it's important to understand what the platform actually is before you do anything else. Pump.fun is a Solana-based platform where meme coins can be launched and traded very quickly. The main idea behind making money here usually falls into two paths. The first is trading existing meme coins as early as possible while they move along the platform's bonding curve. The second is launching your own token and potentially earning creator rewards and trading related fees if your coin gains traction. Before going further, keep in mind that both of these approaches are highly speculative. This is a very volatile environment and price movements can be fast, emotional, and unpredictable. That means there is real upside potential, but there is also a very real risk of losing money just as quickly. So the goal here is not just to jump in, but to understand the opportunity and the risk at the same time. To get started, go to Pump.fun. Once you're on the site, the basic strategy is to decide whether you want to trade meme coins that already exist or create one of your own. If you're taking the trading route, the general idea is to identify coins early before too much attention comes in. On platforms like this, being early can matter a lot because the price often changes as more people buy in. That's where the bonding curve comes into play. As demand increases, the price can rise quickly, which is why many traders focus on timing and momentum. If instead you want to launch your own token, the opportunity comes from creating a meme coin that attracts interest from the community. If people begin buying and trading it, that can open the door to creator rewards and fee-related earnings. But success here usually depends on attention, timing, and how much interest the coin generates after launch. Simply creating a token does not guarantee profits. A good tip is to approach both methods carefully and realistically. With trading, avoid chasing hype too late, because sudden reversals are common. With launching, understand that most meme coins do not become successful, even if they start with excitement. In both cases, it helps to treat Pumpfun as a speculative market rather than a predictable income source. So in short, making money on Pumpfun memes generally means either trading existing meme coins early or launching your own token and benefiting if it gains activity. Just remember that both strategies come with significant volatility, so move carefully and never risk more than you're prepared to lose.